RSS Publishing and Social Planner allows you to create a consistent schedule that's easy to maintain. However, it could feel a little stiff when posting to multiple platforms. So we've rolled out enhancements to make it more flexible and reliable across platforms. Let's check how it works. You now have more control over how much content is shared from RSS feeds, with the option to toggle it on to publish posts with an item description or off to continue publishing title only. Post content is now generated per platform, allowing them to apply their own content limits independently, with links and ending text preserved whenever possible. Preview up to 5 RSS feed items at once to quickly evaluate formatting, truncation, and content flow. Let's learn how to schedule an RSS post with the updates. Head to the Social Planner tab in the Marketing section and create an RSS post. Add the RSS feed URL and choose the social accounts you want to post to. Enable post content to publish posts with an item description. Review the up to 5 item preview, then save and automate RSS posts. These updates improve how RSS content is generated, previewed, and published, especially for users posting across multiple platforms with different content limits. We hope you enjoy it.